Up here on the 1910 road. I thought of Westford. I didn't come up from Westford this morning though. I came up from Fall Creek side. Came up the 1802 and hit the 1910 on top. Now we're just a few miles from the 19 road. That's it right down there. But up here on the cliff end of the 1910, it's basically you're up here on top of a big rock. Everything's all rock right here. Goes all the way down to the river. Figured maybe we'd get a good echo out of the horns up here. There we go. So that's what I'm up to.